One of the ways you can use MagicSchool to help you out is to use it in a PLC to generate instructional strategies. So I'm going to show you what that would look like for a 5th grade PLC on an RLA TEKS that goes around the topic of theme. So I would click on Raina, and then I already have my TEK and what I want it to do ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. And I'm going to come back over to MagicSchool, and I'm going to paste that into Raina. And so in here, what I've told her is that I'm a teacher in a 5th grade PLC and need instructional strategies, lesson ideas, and scaffolds tailored to a 5th grade RLA unit on theme. And I want her to suggest small group activities, discussion prompts, sentence stems, stations, and also extension tasks for advanced learners. The TEKS we are addressing and planning for is a 5.A, which is the student is expected to infer multiple themes with text using text evidence. And then I even included the success criteria in there. So once I have that all in there, I can go ahead and click my generate arrow. And then she's aligning to the standards. She's giving me my success criteria, some instructional strategies. And then I'll show you some options we have when we're finished as well. So let's let her finish. This is a great use of PLC time because it's really breaking down all the needed parts you might need to have the students be successful with these instructional strategies. So you can see it's coming all the way through, starting at whole group, going all the way through stations, small groups, even formative checks, and it's giving me some scaffolds for my struggling learners as well. And then it's going into my advanced learners, it's giving me a sample lesson, and then a rubric, okay? So if I started back up at the top and looked, I've got my learning target. Here's where I have some instructional strategies. So this is whole class and teacher moves. And so it tells me some things I could do. I could do text annotation routines. I could do the I do, we do, you do model. It's giving me some small group activities, some stations, some small group discussion prompts, sentence stems, formative checks and quick assessments, scaffolds, extensions, lesson sequence, and then from there you can see where there might be some questions down here that you could re-prompt with. Can you help me create a printable lesson plan for this unit? What resources do you recommend for the extension tasks? Or you could ask, build out the small group lesson and stations with all needed resources and passages. And then I can regenerate and then see what she comes up with from there. So with Raina and with anything you do in MagicSchool, you might get more output than you want for that particular time, but as you go through, you look at the pieces that work for you, and then you can ask Raina to redevelop based on those. So if in this PLC I had her do these instructional strategies, but I'm like, okay, I am going to focus on small group, then that's what I'd re-prompt her to build out. If I then wanted to work on, say, some exit ticket at the end, I could do that as well. But you can see that I'm getting stations here. And so far she's built out 3 station activities. We're on our 4th. Maybe in my classroom I only wanted 2. She's already got 5, 6 stations going, which is way more than I like to run in my class. So at that point, I may re-prompt her to break it down into 2 stations and 1 small group activity. Because you can see in here, she even has an exit ticket bank, which is great, that I can use as well. So then I can regenerate and have her just do it for 2 stations. But as you can see, you get more activities, more strategies than you know what to do with usually. So this is just a way for you to get those ideas rolling in your PLC, for you to be able to have a team discussion about it, and you could have each different person of the PLC break down and work on one specific part of that or one specific instructional strategy that you wanted to build, and then share among the others. So try it out, check it out with your PLC, and see how these instructional strategies can help support your PLC and your planning as well.